Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to set stop loss and take profit on DXtrade step by step. First, start by opening a trade. Click the buy or sell button. For example, I'll buy 0.10 lots using a market order. Now, before confirming the trade, click on protection orders. Here, you can enable stop loss and take profit and set your preferred levels. You can adjust them based on price, pips, percentage of balance, or projected loss or profit, whichever suits your trading strategy best. Once you've set your stop loss and take profit, click Send Order and your trade will be placed with protection already in place. If you've already opened a trade and want to add stop loss or take profit afterward, go to My Account at the top, then select Positions. Find your open trade, right-click it, and choose Modify Position. From there, you can enter your stop loss and take profit values, click Modify, and you're all set. And that's it. That's how you set stop loss and take profit on DXtrade quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.